walker of the blood moon. Hear the cry of your daughters. We have come in pain, with sorrow, and our plea is justice.
Powerful one, the ground, it glows. It means the gods are awake.
No. They are guiding us. The Dibia has seen us. He knows we are here.
Daughters of Obodan. The gods have seen your tears. They have heard your cry. You seek for justice. Your sacrifice must be made. Ye Maunasa Adonasa. The blood sacrifice must be made.
Great one. I will sacrifice myself.
No, no. Nena, you cannot do that.
Sister, let me go. No, let me go. No. Nena, I am older than you. No. I have lived longer. Let me do this. No, let me go. Let me go. Please do not argue. I'll do it. Sister, no. Let me do this.
Go! God needs hope that is yet to be defied.
Great one, I'm ready to sacrifice myself. For I'm yet to be defiled.
Which more than mother?
No. Are you sure about that?
Uju,
you don't have to. I can go. My sister can go. Even though we are... But
no. You both are strong, bold and confident to fight this battle. So you stay. I will go as long as there will be peace in the land and justice is served. Let me go. Let me go.
Step forward. More. You need a look at it. Monasa. People of Obodani. Igwe. People of Obodani. Igwe. The gods have brought a message through the sacred stones. From this day forth, the words of men, the order of men, stand supreme, not to be challenged by anyone. Any woman who refuses, any woman who challenges shall face the vulture's feast.
My king, this new law...
What? Come on. Do you want to challenge my authority?
Sister, is this truly the will of the gods? The gods speak through fire and water, but men speak through their greed and selfishness. This is definitely not the voice of the gods.
Father,
Yes, son.
some flowers here bloom brighter than others.
Oh. Then pluck them before another hand. Yes.
With all pleasure, Father. With all pleasure. Raise your head, Mary. I need to see the head that will serve my palm wine tonight.
My prince, my hand is only for my household.
Wait! You dare speak when the prince speaks.
The law is young, but he already chose to spit on it.
Your household. And for any man that desires it. That is the law now.
Leave my sister alone.
Quiet!
Father, the fighter. I will enjoy breaking you. So. Take out my chamber.
Hey! Move it! Move it!
My prince! Today's catch is here. Yes, today's catch. And they are fresh from the marketplace. One even dare to speak against you.
Bring them close.
Go down! Go down!
Go down.
Down!
That's the way I like them. I would love to see the resistance on their faces before I crush it. The law of this land states that whatever a man desires, he takes. And I desire your pride. A fighter. I love fighters because I love to break them.
My prince, please let me go. I am but an orphan, please.
An orphan? That means your parents won't be here to save you. As I was saying, our kingdom does not seek your consent. It demands it. And I am the law.
You cannot force me to lose my virginity. I am not ready to.
Careful, Daisy, or the prince will make you beg for mercy that you will never have.
Agrika.
My prince.
I shall start with her.
My prince. My prince.
The king beats you for free! unreasonable lies. What anything? Answer me!
We walk! We walk!
No one asked for your excuses! Flogger! This one. Especially this one. This one. The spirits are spoken. Especially this one. The king says she talks too much and refuses to grace his bed each time he summons her.
I will talk! I will talk! Until my tongue rots! Because your cruelty has no limit and my pain has no end. I will talk! I will talk!
Quiet! You will eat your words! Keep flogging her! Wait! Nena, what did I just hear? That you refused to grace my father's bed. How dare you? Huh?
I did nothing wrong.
You did everything wrong by refusing to grace my father's bed. Do you know he's a king? Whatever he desires, he gets! Low life! I can see that you, low lives, think your life is worth anything. I will use you as a scapegoat! Fool! Listen to me. If you don't grace my bed tonight, I promise you, you will regret it. Peel her back! Go! Whip her! Yes, my king. No! Stop! Stop!
We are no slaves. We are no slaves in our own land. In our own land. What can we do? We are being tortured in our own land. Our worst nightmare has come to reality. We no longer move.
Go. Bring them out.
We no longer move.
Hey, you all should come out.
We are slaves. Slaves. We are slaves in our own land.
Out! Out! Move it! Come on! Come here! You all were asked to wait this one with your bare hands. But you decide to stay at me lustfully.
I did nothing wrong.
Quiet! Who asked you to speak when a man has not permitted you to?
The king's new law says a woman's glance can stir up a man's desire. And when the desire is stirred up, it must be satisfied.
Her eyes were on the farm before her, not on any of you.
Oh! A woman of Obodani now tells the warrior of Obodani what his eyes saw.
My eyes was on the farm, not on you.
The little goat tries to explain herself. Tell me, brothers. Hey, your side. Come here. Man, yeah. Are these not the eyes of a temptress? Tell me, brothers.
Namdi. Ozo. You heard it clearly with your own ears. Or was it the wind playing tricks on us?
The king said, no woman say no to a man's desire. How possible is that?
Also, I heard it clearly. Just as the cock crows at dawn. He said it with his own mouth. Before the gods and before his people. He claimed the sacred stone said so.
Lies. Lies. Sacred stone has never uttered such wickedness since the existence of this kingdom. Stone speaks for balance and not for lust. Not even the pride. Not even for the pride of the king. Such decree will only anger the gods. Women are not to be dragged to the bed of men. Even the spirits that dwell beneath the stone knows the truth.
Who can tell? I saw the last man who spoke flogged until his bones were cracked. The king listens to the sound of his pride. The prince, his arrogance, worships the madness of his father, the king.
Nnamdi,
Also,
this kingdom is sick. A disease that begins with one man's pride, now spread like fire, like a dry leaves. Even the guards in the palace boast of taking any maiden they wish.
we witnessed it yesterday, where the prince gave orders for the guards to take those two maidens to his chambers. That evil decree covers them. Evil decree!
All I know is that the gods will not keep silent for long. They may delay, but their vengeance is sure. When the river turns red and the stone begins to glow, the king will always remember this.
Let them mock the silence of the stone. For one day, also, the stone will speak. Yes, that sacred stone will speak. Not of words, but of thunder.
May the gods have mercy upon all of us. For when the king twists the tongues of the gods, even the innocent taste the bitterness of their fall.
He say, also, I beg to take my leave.
Our mothers, sisters and daughters are in trouble. On a banya burial. Our mothers, sisters and daughters are in trouble.
It is so disheartening that what our kingdom is to king and a
Man, you Gasini Kenan, what is this? Eh? Why are you acting as if I gave you the whole world to carry on your head? We don't know for Maggie, Jack and wine. Is your back made of straw? Please be fast and prepare something for me to eat. I am hungry.
I'm walking as fast as I can. So.
Your fast is as good as useless.
It's useless. Oh, you think it's those days you do whatsoever you like? No, it's no longer that way. Do you understand? Please be fast.
Please help me. Help me with anyone, please.
I cannot lift a finger on this. Yes. Keep doing it. It will make you look stronger. Yes. Don't worry, you will get used to it. Be going. Do you even think this village will respect a weak wife? No. You are meant to be strong so that you will take care of your husband and the house. Woman, can you walk fast? Walk fast. If you are hoping I will help you carry this, and I will not. I will not lift a finger on this thing you are carrying. It will help you. What is this now? What is this? It will help you get stronger so that you can be able to take care of your family, carry the children, cook good food for your husband to eat. Do not worry, and you will get used to it. Yes, with time.
You are here alone. You have not eaten since morning. Why?
How can I, Mama? Whenever I close my eyes, I see the girls dragging Adeze, the women crying, and the whole land smells of fear. Mama, what if they come for me? What if a man says he wants me? What if the guards come at night?
Then, let them meet my bones first. I have been thinking. This kingdom has become a hunting ground. The king's decree has turned women into prey. We cannot wait for the hunters to knock. Let's run before the sun rises.
Run? But to where, Mama?
To my mother's people, Umochan village. That land still fears the gods. Their men still have shame. You will stay there until you become of age.
Oh, Mama. What about my betrothal to Obinna? They will think that I abandoned him.
My daughter, if he loves you, he will wait. And if he cannot wait, then his love was never meant for the storm.
But Mama, you have never left this land before. You have lived here all your life. What if they find us?
Let them find me. They will never touch you. I carried you 9 moons instead of me. I can carry you through one night of danger.
Mama, I'm scared. I'm scared.
My daughter, fear is good. It reminds us we are still alive. Courage is working. Even when fear holds our ankles, we will walk.
Okay, Mama.
Ancestors of women who tilled the land before the crown of throne. Guide our feet through dark. Let no evil eyes see us. Let no evil hearts find us. When the cow crows, we leave. Do not pack too much. Pick your wrappers, your beads, and your mother's blessings.
Okay, Nne.
The gods sees all. And one day, they will ask the king why he beat his throne on women's tears.
What is keeping you and the food? Ah. Bịa nwoke mesapụ iru gị.
Sorry.
What is this? What is this? I'm talking to you and you are moping at me. What is this?
Your food.
My food. My food. Can you see how useless you are in this hut? Can you? You do not even know how to prepare white yam. You are giving me white yam and red oil to eat. Where is the oba? Where is the ngo? Eh?
I'm very tired. I'm very tired. I tried my best to.
Your best is as useless as you. Yes! It is obvious you cannot feed me properly in this hut. Even to give me food to eat is a problem to you. What are you even good at in this hut? You are not good in cooking, even in bed. You are not good in bed. You just lie there like a log of wood. What are you good at? Nothing. Will you take this rubbish out of my presence now? Then go and prepare me pounded yam and onubu soup. That is what I want to eat.
You just manage this one, eh?
What are you trying to do? I'm talking and you want to sit. To do what? Get this out of my presence. Go and prepare me onubu soup and pounded yam. That is what I want to eat. Take this enough!
Let me rest more. And let me eat and rest. Please. I've been working all day. Oh. I am tired. Look at my condition. I'm tired.
So I will wait. See, you are done resting before you prepare what I will eat. Biawai, take this out of my face. Go and prepare me what to eat.
No, please help me.
If I slap you, you will take this out of my face. If you call it. Gini ifem jakawe kotoro one. Is this how I'm going to live in this hut with this woman? Ha! This woman is making me to talk too much. When it is the order and command of the men they are supposed to obey.
And where did you think you were going?
I'm not going anywhere.
Really? Not going to do that. So where is your daughter?
My daughter is not around.
Little chicken. Where are you?
Come here! Come here!
She has done nothing!
Leave her!
She has done nothing!
My desire is awoken. Little one, I summoned you, but you were nowhere to be found. I knew you can't hide forever. Come.
I am betrothed.
And that door closed when I opened your door.
My prince, she is my only child. She is betrothed. Please don't take her by force. The gods will curse you.
Be careful, woman. Because if the princess grows, he may decide to bring from more than one god.
The gods have given me the strength and the kingdom. So if the gods wanted to punish me, they would have made me a woman. Caesar.
Chikode, how dare you speak when I have not permitted you to? How dare you open this your mouth to speak without my permission?
My husband. I only spoke to ask about the water pots. They are cracked. I thought you should know.
Chikode, you do not thought. Your thought is as good as useless. Yes, in this hut, you do not have a say. Yes, you are a woman. You are bound under my authority. Do you understand? On no account should you speak when I have not commanded you to.
I don't mean to disrespect you. I just want you to know. That's all.
You are still talking when I speak? Will you shut this mouth of yours? Now listen. My dirty clothes are in there. Go in, pack all of them and wash. After that, go to the kitchen and prepare what we eat. Do you understand?
I understand.
Stop lazying around. And be up and doing. That is your duty in this house. And stop all this pretense of yours. Because I am not seeing them. Now stand up. Get up! Stop doing this you are doing. Stop it! And be strong. And do not waste time in washing those clothes. Don't keep me starving. Nonsense.
Hey! Also! Hey! Also! Hey! Tragedy has struck my household also.
Nnamdi.
Hey! Tragedy.
Nnamdi. Why are you panting as if someone who is being chased by the gods themselves?
The prince. The prince. The prince has taken my brother's daughter. He took my brother's daughter.
How do you mean the prince took? For what reason?
They came to my brother's hut. They took Chidinma. And before he left, he said, nobody shall defy the decree of this kingdom.
By the gods, that decree again. I told the king that the sacred stone do not utter such wickedness. How can the spirit of our ancestors command men to force their daughters?
Also, I warned Chidinma's mother. I warned her. I told her to flee with Chidinma, but she refused. Now Chidinma is gone. Chidinma is gone.
This madness must stop. The king's heart has been clouded by greed, and the prince by lust. Our land bleeds if this continues.
Also, what do we do? What do we do? The guards obey. Nothing or no one but the crown. What do we do?
Then we shall proceed to the shrine of our ancestors. If the king claims such decree, then the stone must speak. After then we shall know if the gods truly commanded such evil act.
Let the gods judge between man and madness. I, Nandi, I will not rest. Yes, I will not rest until Chidinma returns. Or the truth, darkness revealed. I will not rest. Also, we have to do something. We have to do something also. We have to do something. Shall we go? The 7 hills of Ezedibi. How do we get there without the guards seeing us? And even if we get there, who will grant us access?
When we get to the 7 hills, we will call out the name of Ezedibia. And if he refuses to answer, we will kneel before the spirit to undo what men have twisted.
Ezedibi has a benevolent heart. He listens when there is injustice. I know he will listen when the elders call the names of those that was wronged. He will listen because Chidinma has been wronged.
Well, we will cross the names. We will go under the hours of market when the prince's men must have slept off. If they catch us, we are elders. Our bones will not be easy for them to cross, to bend. Yes. Then, we are the one who sworn to hold the line between people and the throne. We will not sit and fold our arms and watch. If not, these maidens will never see justice.
Ozo, you have spoken well. We will work for those that have been deprived.
Young man, I don't need to remind you that you are standing before the highest authority of this land. I don't need to remind you that you are standing before the highest authority of this land.
Yes, my prince.
So whatever I ask you, I want the truth and nothing but the absolute truth. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, my prince.
Is it true that this man died on top of you?
My prince, I do not know what happened to him. He tried to force himself on me in the bush.
And?
I screamed until my voice broke. No one came, but the gods answered.
Oh, God. But that's not what the family said. The family said that you bewitched him. And his heart stopped working because of your evil.
My prince, if my chief defending me is witchcraft, then yes, I may be guilty before you, but not before the gods.
She just accepted that she's a witch. And you know what we do to witches in this kingdom? Take her away.
I'm innocent!
Elders of the kingdom, what are you doing in my father's palace uninvited? The day is still very bright. Why don't you go home and rest your shaking body?
My prince, we came to seek for justice. Yes. The maiden you took, I mean my brother's daughter Chidemma. She's nothing but 16 full moon. Yes. Her mother is fainting in grave. She's betrothed and not a maiden of your chamber.
Didn't you hear my father's decree? A woman's body is the desire of every man's heart. And you two know that desires are not to be denied. My elder, tell me, what can your brother's daughter possibly do for the royal home, if not to grace our bed? Huh?
Such decree is a curse upon our land. The sacred stone cannot pass such evil. Even the gods trembles at this evil. Prince Obika, release that love!
Enough of all this madness! How dare you stand in my presence to scold me? Have you gone mad? Now listen to me, both of you. The next time you step your ugly feet into this palace again, I promise you, I will have your heads hanging on the palace gate before the sun rises.
You have silenced your elders today. But remember, when the drum of earth beats, no crown can silence them.
My father's law is the new law, and my father is the only gods of this land. Gods!
My prince.
Take your ugly faces out of my sight.
Do not touch me.
Easy.
Do not touch me.
We will go.
Leave! Do not touch me, we'll go.
You come to school me with your wrinkled face! Fools! The next time I see you here, I will kill you! You want to school me? Old, wrinkled, faced fools!
As someone, you are so beautiful.
Thank you.
See, feel free. This is my heart. Maybe I will be considering coming to see your parents.
Serious?
Yes. As an African man, I am entitled to marry as many wives as I want. Eh? And I know you are going to make a good wife.
Okoro!
Okoro, who is this maiden? And what is she doing in our hut? Who is she?
Did you just ask me that? Are you questioning what is mine to decide in my heart? Now listen. This is my heart. And I decide whatsoever that happens here. And do not forget that in this hut, everything in this hut belongs to me, including you. So watch what you speak.
No, we just got married. And we are still expecting our first child. And now this woman, this maiden. No, I will not take this from you. In fact, I cannot. I will not.
You cannot what? Whatsoever your people must have told you, you cannot practice it in my hut. I am an African man, and I have the right to marry as many wives as I can. You do not stop me or poke nose into it. Do you understand? You see this maiden here? She is here because I want her to be here. Mind your lane.
No, it's not true.
Now listen. Every woman is subjected under a man. You are subjected under me, your husband. You do not have say in this hut. Know your space. Do not disturb me. I am busy. It's okay. Everything is under control, okay? Don't smile. Sorry for... I hope you're free. Like what I was saying before, I will go and check my trap if it has caught any bushmeat. So that if you are going, I will prepare and garnish it for you to go home with, okay?
Why do you come into my hut? Do you know how it feels? Do you know how it feels to be humiliated? Do you know how it feels to be beaten? Do you know how it feels to carry a life inside you and still watch your husband bring another maid into your hut? Do you?
I was forced into this house. I even thought he was free.
Free? Free to destroy lives. Free to turn a home into a prison. Free to destroy every living thing around him. Every word he says is poisoned. And any maiden that believes him will be destroyed too.
I never wanted to. I'm sorry. I'll leave if you wish. I'll leave. I mean no harm.
Leave? Sorry. You living here did not give me any favor. It will bring more shame, more pain, more sorrow, more beating. So leaving this house, it's not any favor. You're not doing me any favor. But one day, this hut will not contain us.
This hurt will see the beast in me.
We are now slaves.
Amaka.
We are now slaves in our own land. In our
Chikoli, where is Amaka? Where is Amaka? You're answering me, eh?
I do not know. She left.
Wait, will you come here? Come here! What do you mean she left? Chikodi, you lied to me? Did you send Amaka away? Talk to me! Did you send her away?
My husband, at this point, I am tired. I am tired of your command. See, I will not bow to you again. I will not!
You dare talk to me in this manner, Chikodele? Chikodi, you have no fear. You stand before me and you are opening this gutter of your mouth to talk to me in this manner? Is something wrong with you? Are you mad?
See, Okolo, I am tired of your command. Yes, I am tired. I have been keeping quiet in this hut because you are my husband. I am trying as much as possible to respect you as my husband. But you see, that's your command. I will not take it anymore from you. I will not!
Chikodele! So I am the one you are talking to. Are you mad? Is something wrong with you? Who gave you the nerve?
How dare you! How dare you to lay this your filthy hands on me?
Chikodi, you slapped me. Ah! Arrow! Chikodi, I will kill you and bury you. You slapped me. I'll tell you this house. I will kill and bury you in this. You slapped me. Ah!
Strike me if you will. Yes. See, Okolo, I will not be a slave in your hut. I will never be a slave in my husband's hut.
Chikodi, me. I am coming back for you.
Beast! That's what you are! You will not kill me! You will not kill my spirit! You will not kill my poor child. How did I marry a beast? I will not be a slave!
Your Highness. Greetings, Your Highness. You say, Your Highness, my wife has committed a sacrilege. I came with a case of grave disobedience. Your Highness, my wife disobeys and defies my orders in my hut. The worst of it all is that my wife has the nerves to slap me in my hut.
Bonya!
Yes, Your Highness.
Hey!
As if that was not enough, my wife disobeyed your orders. Yes, Your Highness. She disobeyed your orders that every woman must be submissive and be under the control and command of a man. She defied it. She defied it by challenging me in my hut, waging war against me in my hut.
Hey! Dalia. Nwanyị Dalia. Ịmakwa na okoloto ọfịa na-eli isi mmadụ. Ọ na-elikwu isi nwanyị ime.
Okolotovia na-elisi mmadụ. Ọmakwa ama.
Omaro, Your Highness, Omaro.
Okoro.
Your Highness.
What do you ask? What do you ask? Well, ọnụ gị kwuwe. Nke ikwulu ka ị ga-eme. Do you want justice? Or do you want punishment? Or perhaps you want entertainment?
No, Your Highness. Your Highness, I want this woman to be severely punished. Yes, so that she will learn to respect her husband.
Kita ka ikwulu okwu. Nwanyị akịrịgba. Hey, imela alụ. Imela alụ ịpụta ebe a na-esisisi anya mmiri, see tears on your face. Didn't you know that those tears would have been shed at home, not here? Koni maro no Okolotovia na-elisi mmadụ na-elikwu nwaanyị ime. Guards!
Yes, Your Highness.
Listen and listen very well. The laws of this land must be upheld by all, especially the laws I have made as king. This thing I see here, this woman I see here, no, she has defied her husband. She must be made to face the consequences of defiance. Guards, take her into the cage. She will remain there in the cage until she delivers. That is what I have said. Maka na Okolotovia na-elisi mmadụ. So you are just beginning to know that you will die there, or that you could die there. This is what it means to face punishment. Punishment. You will enter the cage. You will stay in the cage. You will learn whether you are living or you are dead. If you die, then people will know that the law is strong. Take her to the cage. Lock her up. She will learn the consequences of defiance. Take her out.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Okoro.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
I see your face. I see you are in a mebele. You want to sympathize with her?
Never, Your Highness. Whatsoever she's getting, that she deserves it. Even more.
She deserves it. That's what I'm telling you.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Let her stay there. If she leaves, she comes out a better person.
Yes, Your Highness.
If she dies in there, then people will know that the law is no respecter of persons.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Yes.
Thank you, Your Highness. Dalo.
Naba.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Maka na Okolotovia
na-elisi mmadụ.
na-elisi mmadụ. Naba.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Okolotovia na-elisi mmadụ.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Okolotovia ọ na-elisi mmadụ.
The daughter of Konya Karipo Mankapa, right?
Yes.
Do you know why your knees are kissing the earth for me?
No, my prince, I did not know.
Lies. Lies you tell. But I'll break it down for you. So you now have the mind, the effrontery, the audacity to walk past the crown prince of this land without kissing my feet.
I'm sorry, my prince. It was a mistake.
A mistake? Mistake is dropping the calabash. A mistake is going into the thorn bush and getting yourself caught. It's a mistake. But this is boldness. And you know it's not accepted in this kingdom.
I have no boldness, my prince. Only fear.
Then you better let that fear grow teeth. Because the next time you try this again, and I will make sure your family drink your tears until the moon forgets to rise again. Rubbish. Get out! Rubbish! Get out! Don't. Young lady, I haven't seen your face before. Am I not talking to you? I haven't seen your face before in this kingdom. Are you from here? Yeah, I'm talking to you. Come here. Come here! I haven't seen your face in this kingdom before. Are you from here? Speak before I have him cut off your tongue. I can see you're a stubborn one. And I know how to deal with stubborn people.
We are now slaves. We are now slaves.
Who is the lady, the maiden, walking so unconcernedly? She does not carry the dust of this place on her eyes. Speak of another king.
Father, she has refused to talk. She doesn't even want to say her name. She just stood and kept moping at me.
Come here, child. Young maiden, where are you? And what is your name? What brings you to the eyes of the throne of Ubodani?
Father, she has refused to talk. She can't even say her name. She just stood and kept moping at me like a fool.
You stand before the gods and your tongue is locked. Do you think silence will save you?
Father, her silence hides smoke. Father, permit me to take her to my chamber and make her to talk in my own terms. She needs to be reminded who rules this kingdom.
Enough of this madness! Guards!
My king.
Take this simpleton out. Flog her until she remembers the taste of her words. Out with her!
Yes, my king.
Out! What impudence! Move!
Another have joined the forgotten. This one here stands in front of the king, staring into his very own eyes without fear. I will see how you will last. Whip her again. Whip her again. If she doesn't break now, don't worry. She will break tonight at the prince's chambers. Whip her again. Whip her again.
Shubugazum, before someone sees me.
And where do you think you are going?
Oh, you take me for a blind bat. Where are you going?
I want to go and see my mother.
And how did you even escape? Oh, you want to run? Your legs will be cut and fed to the dogs. Let me go! Let me go! What is going on here? My prince. She wants to excuse herself from the past. Nina, you want to escape? Do you know the consequences of your action?
If you are a true prince, you know the reason why I had to go see your mother.
And if you had sense, you will know that in this palace, your mother's misery is the least of our problems. Africa!
My prince.
Lock her up and make sure she sees no food, no water till the next. You know what? Till the next market day! Take her away!
Yes, my prince. Move!
Move! The boldness! Now you're beginning to bite more than you can chew!
I am hungry. And I crave for something new. I'm not of a maiden, no. I don't need any maiden. I am not cutting for their laughter. I need something different. I need someone that has tasted tears and strength. A widow. Yes. Yes, a widow. Their eyes that carry stories, and their lips that carry secrets. The gods have poured their cravings in my vein, and I, the prince, shall get whatever I want, and no one Absolutely nobody can deny me that. Akeka.
My prince.
I need a fresh palm wine. No. I need something sweeter than palm wine.
I shall summon all the palace meeting.
No. I am not caught in for their silly laughters. I need something different. And only a scent of a widow can quench it.
Prince, then I shall summon all the widows in this kingdom too.
No. I shall take my legs to the ground as she walks on. And I will use my hands to take whatever I want.
My prince, this stubborn ghost spat on my face because I asked her to lay with me. She dare denies me of her body. She thinks she's too clean for men like me. What is a man's honor if a mere maiden can speak at his face?
Uchu,
My prince.
is it true that you denied a man, an old warrior of this land, your body?
My prince, I'm sorry, I only guided my womanhood.
You only guided your womanhood. So you are indirectly going against the orders of my father, the king. How worthless can you be? Huh?
My prince, I'm sorry. He's not my husband. He's old enough to be my father. I only told him to leave me alone.
The duty of every maiden in this kingdom is to satisfy the urge of every man. The reason why your knees are still kissing the earth is because your duty is to serve.
My prince.
I will teach you a lesson.
My prince, I'm sorry. I have no mother, no father. Only my dignity. Please do not take it away from me, please.
The reason why women still live in this kingdom is to be of service. Henceforth, you will serve in this palace as a low peasant. You will sleep on the cold clay, and you shall eat of the remains of the other servant. Akeka,
my prince,
take this low life
My prince, I'm sorry.
out of my presence.
My prince, I'm sorry. My prince, I'm sorry. My prince.
My elder, I am deeply sorry for this insult. Please, do well to get yourself another maiden that will satisfy your urge. You are an old warrior and should be treated with respect.
Thank you. May the gods bless you.
Go well, my elder.
Thank you very much.
I am Chikodri. My husband sent me here for disobedience. I could not stand his beating anymore. Chikodri, you are not alone. Every man in here has been beaten, humiliated,
I've betrayed. But this is not the end. This is just the beginning. We learned. We survived. The king, his guards, and even men like your husband think fear is their power. Little do they know that fear could be turned into fire, into vengeance. Vengeance? Yes, vengeance. So we could fight back. Yes. Every lash, every humiliation, every injustice shall be repaid. But first, betrayal. We prepare, then we become stronger than those who think they control us. Chikode, listen. The palace is full of men who believe they are untouchable. Guards who think drunk arrogance gives them power. They think women are weak. We will use that belief against them. One by one, we will get our justice. But they are strong. We are just women.
Only women, you say?
No.
We are daughters of the oppressed. Heart forged in fire. Minds sharper than any blade. Strength is not just muscle. It is cunning, unity, and courage. Tonight, we begin. We will train. We will plan. We will learn each God's weakness. Every secret and every path that it takes. And when the time comes, we will strike.
I will fight. I will survive. Who led the way? Then we begin. But the first lesson is survival.
I heard voices. Listen. Listen to me. Listen. If I hear one more word, if I hear one more word, each and every one of you, I will deal with you.
The gods have decided to bless me with a feast this morning. Isn't she beautiful, Africa? Oh, look at the way she walks. Even the sun adores her feet. Okay, is she not the widow that just buried her husband?
Yes, my prince. She is the one whose husband was buried during the last of her market day. And she stays alone with her child. I even heard they found it difficult to feed.
She struggles to feed.
Yes, my prince.
Yet she is so beautiful, just like the rain beats the yam. She doesn't know her worth, but I do. Run, little one. You know the law in this land. Whatever I want, I shall get.
Should I summon her, my prince?
No. Allow her. Allow my eyes to gaze upon her until she starts seeing me in her dreams, yearning for my touch. Let's go. Gochi.
My prince, your highness, you honor me with your presence. What brings you here?
The law speaks for me. And it states that whatever a man wants, he gets. And the woman lives, has no right to form the word no.
My prince, I don't understand what you're talking about.
You know the new law in this land. And I am the prince of this land. And whatever I want, I shall get. And I want you.
What?
Yes.
My prince, I am a woman of honor. I can't.
Honor. Honor cannot quench my hunger.
My prince, my husband's grief is still fresh. I cannot do it. Please have mercy.
Mercy is for the weak. And I, Prince Obika, is not a weak man. Wisdom is for those that lack power. And I am power. So whatever I say stands. Have I made myself clear?
Obika, son of the king, for taking me forcefully, may the gods twist your fate. May you suffer. You will die a painful death. And may all the maidens you broke their hearts lay curses on you. You will suffer in that
Silence! You viper tongue woman. I can see that your tongue is sharper than your beauty. Africa,
my prince,
take her to my father. Let her confess of her insolence. Stand up!
Let me!
Come here. Go.
My king, I am but a poor widow. I didn't do anything wrong. The only thing I did was to protect my honor. Please, my king, forgive me. Have mercy.
You talk about honor. You speak honor. That you raise and arraign curses at royal blood. Such insolence deserves death. You will surely die.
Please have mercy. Please.
No. I said it deserves death. But I will pardon you. On one condition. You will bring to me that your 14-moon-old daughter, tender, luscious, succulent. She will warm my bed for 7 nights.
My king, please. She's just a child. Please, have mercy.
Guards!
Please, my king, have mercy.
Take her to the cage now!
Please, have my king. My king, be good. My king, please. Please, my king, please!
Like father, like son.
All the maidens in this kingdom, I'm sending a message to all of you. You will warm my bed one by one.
Like father, like son. Like father, like son. My father, His Royal Majesty.
We are now slaves. We are now slaves in our own land. In our own land. What can we do?
I don't give you the right, the audacity to sing in my presence. Have you no fear? Just to comfort your miserable child, you said. And what is it? Listen, if you're not careful in this palace, you are going to have problems with me. And you wouldn't want that. Be very careful in this palace. And what is this?
My friends, just a number to mark the days I've been here.
You now count your sufferings in my palace. How dare you? Huh?
I just want to forget who I am.
And who are you, if I may ask? You are a nobody! All of you! You are not in post lives! As lives you shall be! Fools! You need to be careful with me. Most especially you! Be careful! I won't warn you again! When I'm done with you, you will death for death, and death you shall not see. For I am the Lord, and I'm death. Yes!
My friend! My friend!
Take this pregnant fool to my chamber For she will warm my bed tonight.
No, I mean...
Why you? Now listen. Because a pregnant woman is different. You scream! Punch my arch.
I will let her die to give you my body willingly.
Oh yes. You shall find and look for death. And you shall not see it. Because I am life. And I am death. Caesar!
Okay, please.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Take her away!
Don't
Give me the
touch
knife. Give me
me.
the knife. Especially you. I don't like you. And if you're not careful, your days will be cut short. Friends! Low life! Keep quiet.
Daughters of Obodan, the path is now clear. It is time to move.
What is going on here? What is it? Hey!
It's time to move.
Your Highness.
What is it?
Your Highness. The prisoners.
Yes? What about the prisoner?
The prisoners are gone.
Wait a minute!
The cage is empty.
Who is gone?
Who?
I say who is gone?
Your Highness, I saw the body of Ikuku and Ikem escaped.
Gone. Gone. No. I am not hearing this. How can they be gone? How can you tell me this? How dare you fail me? How dare you let them escape?
Your Highness.
How dare you let those women escape? Those women, those succulent bodies, Those succulent bodies have escaped, and the dead escape, and the dead murder my own warrior. How can? Don't tell me they escaped! Don't tell me.
Your Highness, I will mobilize men.
Yes.
And I will search for them.
Search!
I will search every part.
You are not just searching. You will terrorize the entire place. You will go round the whole place. You will bulldoze into every nook and cranny. You will look into everywhere. Even when a woman is wearing any kind of cloth, peer into it. Zoom into it. Look into it. Get them. Get them. Those women, you can't let those succulent bodies escape me. I need them. They can't move far. I need them. And when I get them, I know what I will do with them. I will begin to pick the lice off their heads. No, I will hold them this way, and I will pull them. How dare them escape me? How dare them escape me? Go, search, terrorize, kill, maim. Come on, move!
Yes, Your Highness.
They can't escape. They dare not escape. I said they dare not escape. They cannot.
You welcome. Agrika, keep your eyes sharp. They are not far. The slaves of the palace. We must find them all.
Otibu, this forest is very thick, and every part looks the same. I think we have been going in circles.
And these traps, they are faint. I think they knew we were coming.
They knew we are coming. Of course they knew. Those slaves, they are cunning, insolent. They have mocked us before in the palace. And now, they are watching every step. They are watching us. And they are planning. Hiding. But we have to stay. Keep our eyes sharp. And we must.
I think we should separate. I think we should split up so we can cover more ground. You go this way, I go this way, you go the other way.
No, Iwaku, no. Once we split, they will attack. They are clever than any man in these bushes, trees, and every pathway.
What if they attack us? What if they come at us?
We show them what fear feels like. The fear they are longing to see in the palace. Find them! I, Otibu, will not fear the king. We must find them.
Yes! Where are you? Okay. Let me call you, ladies. Where are you? Don't worry, I'm here to save you. Yes, I'm here to save you. Where are you?
Hey, what do I tell the prince? That I can't find the slaves? Hey, this tyrant prince. Hey, how do I go back and tell him that I can't find the slaves? That young prince is tyrant! He's a tyrant! He will just chop off my head! Besides, I don't even know if my chi would want me to go back to that palace. This is a sign. Because that prince, he will just chop off my head. Yes, I have to find my way. Yes.
Ladies! Where are you?
I have to find my way. Yes. Thank the gods. Thank the gods I escaped. Thank the gods.
My king, we searched all the forest, all the pathways, and the rivers. We could not find them.
It was here I gave the order to you. Go out, search. Search everywhere. More than search, I said, terrorize the people. Look under. Peer under. Grab under. Search. Search the rivers. Search the mountains. Terrorize people. And you're telling me you could not find them? Are these babies? Are these women?
Father, their disappearance is not just a failure to our throne. It's a challenge! They challenged us! Those maidens, they mocked us.
You will live here now. You will stay out until you get them. Do not return until you have them. Go through the rivers, the mountains, the lakes, the bushes, the forests. Search! 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 Get them! Get them! Get them!
But I will skin them alive. I promise! I will make them pay.
Here, you all are free. No longer slaves. Freedom shall be your first weapon.
Then we need to stay close and be vigilant. Every sound could be a patrol. Every shadow a trap. They won't forgive our escape, sisters.
Do you think the king has sent his guards after us?
Yes, he will. All men of the kingdom knows we fled. They will come with fire, with spies, with nothing but hunger to punish us.
Then let them come. Let them come and see what we've become. They think we are weak and broken, but with every step we take, every breath we draw, we make promise to a new dawn. A dawn that they will forever live to fear. We are not running anymore. We are observing. They think they hunt us, not knowing we are now the hunters.
We are far from the palace. But every tree, every river, every shadow can be turned into our advantage. And then we will strike. They will not see it coming.
Keep your heads low and your tongues still. The spirits here loves voices. They might even answer you even when you do not call them. The road to Ezedibia is not walked with shadow.
Powerful one, will he listen to us? Will the Dibia listen to us? We are just maidens. The Dibia listens to the voice of the king and the elders, not the voice of...
He will! He listens to truth and not age. Now you tell me, what truth does the elders have left? They hide behind fear, while the prince defiles our sisters. Your womb bears the shame of this land, and that is enough reason for the Dibia to listen to us.
The courts have been silent since the king's decree.
Then we will awaken them. We will kneel with our heads in dust. We will remind them that their daughters still bleed. Ezedibia is truly the voice of the 7 hills. He will listen to our cries.
Can you hear that? It sounds like drumming, far beneath our feet.
That is the heartbeat of the 7 hills. It begins when a prayer is near to its answer. Do not fear. It knows we come in peace. Ezedibia of the 7 peaks! Spirit walker of the blood moon! the cry of your daughters. We have come in pain, with sorrow, and our plea is justice.
Powerful one. The ground. It glows. It makes the gods are awake.
No. They are guiding us. The Dibia has seen us. He knows we are here.
The forest breathes uneasily. The spirit whispers before dawn. Who walks the road of the forbidden hills? Oh, my daughter of light, Chikachi, returns with the cries of the broken wombs. They are near. I can see them. May the essence of the forest lead them safely. Welcome. Muhammad. Lead them safely. Lead them safely. Chikachi, my daughter, you have found courage where kings finds pride. You walk through where men fears to crawl. Let the earth speak through you. Let the path be open. For this day is the day the gods will remember. Hey! Spirit of wind and womb, let them pass through you unharmed. Chikachi, you are daughter of light. Yoba Monasa. Daughter of light. Come. Welcome, my daughter. Welcome, daughters of Obudan. The gods have seen your tears. They have heard your cry. You seek for justice. Your sacrifice must be made. The blood sacrifice must be made.
Great one. I will sacrifice myself.
No, no. Nena, you cannot do that.
Sister, let me go. No, let me go. No. Nena, I am older than you. I have lived longer. Let me do this. No, let me go. Let me go. Please do not argue. I'll do it. Listen. No. Let me do this.
Go! God needs home that is yet to be defined.
Great one. I'm ready to sacrifice myself. For I'm yet to be defiled.
Which man and mother?
No. Are you sure about that? Uju, you don't have to. I can go. My sister can go. Even though we are... But
no. You both are strong, bold and confident to fight this battle. So you stay. I will go as long as there will be peace in the land and justice is served. Let me go. Let me go.
Step forward. More. You need a look at it. Mona, sir. Daughter of Obodai. Because what about what you do? What do you do, Bob? I am not satisfied with what you just told me. You would have let yourself be killed instead of letting them escape. Get out of my sight now.
But my king,
I said get out of my sight!
Yes, my king.
You are the coward that fled and now returned. Where are the guards? Or are they now caught up by the trap we set for those fugitives? Speak!
My prince, the guards, they are not yet returned, my prince.
I need water, I'm thirsty.
Shut up! Shut up! Ikem,
my prince.
What do you mean by they've not returned? How can they vanish without a trace? Huh? Have they now been caught by the trap that was set for those fugitives? Those fools! How can you tell me that they cannot be traced?
Perhaps they are more clever.
My prince, it could be that the forest hides them.
The forest hides them?
My prince.
The desire of men in this kingdom is law. So I won't allow those peasants, those ungrateful fools to mock me. They mock me.
My prince, they could be waiting for something in the forest.
There's no waiting in my kingdom. Waiting is when they regroup, when they plan. They mock me.
My friends, the hunters, they may come back with good news soon.
They better do. But I promise them, every scream, every pain that I denied them, I will double it. I will make their life so unbearable for them. I will make them wish that they were never born.
Maybe the hunters are coming with good news soon. I still need the water.
My prince, I have to leave here.
I need water. Oh, help me.
King Ojanu, you sat on the throne to destroy and not to protect.
You fool. I am the chosen of the gods. How dare you allow these cursed women raise their hands against me?
You were the chosen. Yes, but you betrayed the gods with your wickedness, and you shall pay for it.
Oh, shut up.
From hence, no woman will ever kneel before the cruelty of men in this kingdom.
Oh, shut up. You think you have won? Women cannot rule in this kingdom. You will tear yourselves apart like white dogs. Mark my words.
How do you speak?
Shut up your mouth.
You caused us pain. You caused us sorrow. We buried our mother in silence. Today, we bury your reign.
Yes. And that is why.
Shut up. From the judgment of the council, Ojiano and Obika, and all men who raise their hand to torment women in this land. From this day onward, your name will ever rot in the mud. And none of your names shall ever darken this soil again. You are all hereby banished from this kingdom henceforth. Have I spoken our minds?
Yes!
No more chains!
No more chains!
No more fears!
No more fears!
No more sorrow!
No more sorrow!
No more chains!
No more chains!
No more fears!
No more fears!
No more sorrow!
No more sorrow!
No more chains!
No more chains!
No more fears!
No more fears!
No more sorrow!
No more sorrow!
No more chains!
No more chains!
No more fears!
No more fears!
No more sorrow!
No more sorrow!
No more chains!
We are now slaves. We are now slaves in our own land. In our own land. What can we do? We are being tortured in our own land. Our worst nightmare has come to reality. We no longer move freely. We no longer move freely. We are slaves. Slaves, we are slaves in our own land. We are subject of pain for their selfish interest. Anyi no ni embu, anyi no na kwa, emere buanyo, our mothers, sisters and daughters are in trouble.